Only people with sharp brains can solve these tricky riddles. Smirk. You have just 5 seconds for each one. Let's begin. Question 1. What can run but never walks? The correct answer is river. Question 2. What has many teeth but cannot bite? The correct answer is comb. Question 3. What gets bigger the more you take away? The correct answer is hole. Question 4. What has one eye but cannot see? The correct answer is needle. Question 5. What can travel around the world while staying in one spot? The correct answer is stamp. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? The letter M. What has hands but cannot clap? Clock. What belongs to you but others use it more? Your name. What goes up but never comes down? Age. What has a neck but no head? Bottle. What has keys but can't open locks? Piano. What is full of holes but still holds water? Sponge. What can you catch but not throw? Fever. What has words but never speaks? Book. What has legs but cannot walk? Chair. What kind of room has no doors or windows? Mushroom. What has a thumb and 4 fingers but is not alive? Glove. What can fill a room but takes up no space? Light. What is always in front of you but can't be seen? Future. How many riddles did you solve correctly? Exploding head. Comment your score below and follow for more tricky challenges.